Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's learning time. So children, today in this video we are going to study a new point, that is converting fractions into decimals. As I already told you this in the live session, so let us solve some examples here. So see here, the question number 1, example 1 is 7 by 10. As I told you, the decimals means it is a part of the fraction, it is a type of the fractions who are having the denominators either 10 or 100 or 1000 or so on. Okay, so this first number is a fraction. So to convert this fraction into decimals, 7 by 10 is a fraction. Now we are going to convert this into decimal. To convert into the decimal, what we have to see, the first thing is write down the numerator as it is. Write down the numerator as it is. 7 is our numerator. Write down as it is. Then see how many zeros are there in the denominators. It is 1 0 is there. Then we have to put the decimal point before one number. This is our one number and put the decimal point. If any number is present there, then no problem. If it is not there, then take 0. Okay, so the answer will become 0.7. Let us see the second one question. Second one example is 782 divided by 100. The first step is write down 782 as it is. Then count the zeros in the denominator. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. 2 zeros means start from the right to the left. We have to count the numbers. This is the first number, second number, put the decimal point. Leave 2 numbers and put the decimal point. Then third example, 328 divided by 1000. So see here, first step is write down numerator as it is. Then count the zeros. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3 zeros are there. Then leave 3 numbers. Before 3 numbers we have to put the decimal point. 1, 2, 3. Put the decimal point. Here no number is there, then 0 will come. So the answer is 0.328. Then next number is 56 by 10. Write down the first number as it is. How many zeros are there? 1 0 means we have to put the decimal point before one number. The answer is 5.6. So let us study the next point, that is convert following into decimal numerals. So here we solve the examples like the denominators already having the 10, hundreds, thousand. But in some examples, the denominator is not 10, 100, 1000. So we have to convert that into first in the form of 10, 100 and 1000. Then we have to, after that we have to convert the given fractions into the decimal points. So as you see, first number is 3 by 5 and this is a fraction, but this is not a decimal fraction, because in the decimals what we need 10, either 10, 100 or 1000 in the denominator. So first thing is we have to convert this given number into the 10, denominator 10. Write down the number as it is. To convert this 10, we have to find out by which number we have to multiply this 5 to become 10. So we have to multiply this 5 into 2. Then multiply the numerator also into 2. 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. As you see, the denominator 10 has came here. Then now this convert into the decimal numerals. Write down the upside number as it is. 1 0 is there. Put decimal point before one number and take 0 here. 0.6 is the answer. So the next is 13 by 25. First step is write down as it is, given number, given fraction. Now see here, 10 is smaller than this 25, so we have to convert this 25 into 100. So we should multiply this 25 into 4, because 25 4s are 100 is there. 13 4s are 52 and 25 4s are 100. So here write down the 52 as it is. 2 zeros are there. 1 2 decimal point and take 0. 0.52 is our answer. Then third example is, it is a mixed fraction. So first convert this mixed fraction into the improper fraction. For 24s are 80. 80 plus 11 is 91. This is 91 by 20. Then write down as it is. Multiply this 20 into 5, because 25 is 100. In the denominator 100 will come. In the numerator 5 1s are 5, 5 9s are 45. Convert this into the decimal numerals. Write down upside number as it is. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Before 2 zeros, put the decimal point. So the answer is 4.55. So like this, we have to convert the fractions into the decimal numerals. Let us go to the next point, that is like and unlike decimals. So the like decimals means the decimals with equal number of digits after the decimal point are called as like decimals. So here in the like decimals, what will happen? See here, the example is like this: 1.32, 2.15, 7.89, etc. As you see, after in the decimal part, two numbers are there. If they in the decimal point, for each example in the decimal part, if the same numbers are there, then this is called as a like decimals. And next one is the unlike decimals. The decimals with unequal numbers of digits after the decimal point are called as unlike decimals. So as you see in the example, 2.32 is there, 7.1, 50.038. The numbers in the decimal points are different here. Here 2 digits are there, here only 1 digit, but here 3 digits. So these are the unlike fraction. But here in the decimal point of each decimal number is 2 digits are there. Here 3, 2, 1, 5, 8, 9. If the same digits are there in the decimal part, then it is called as a like decimals. And other numbers are different, then it is called as a unlike decimals. I hope you understood this one. If you like this video, then please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's learning time. Thank you.